Hello everyone, I'm Rose here from Korean class. 안녕하세요 여러분, 저는 로즈입니다. Today we are gonna learning Korean words with combined ending consonant 이응. Okay, so headline is 받침이 붙으면. 받침이 붙으면. 받침 is ending consonants. Consonants. And 붙으면 is if combined. 이 붙으면. If combined. Combined. 받침이 붙으면. So this black words is they don't have combined ending consonants, and the under words, these gray color words, they have ending consonants e, right? So then let's have a look. First one, 키읔, K plus O is 코. 코 is nose. Nose in Korean is 코. 코 and same letter 코 plus 이응. So on the last video, I said 이응 is NG pronunciation, and this 코 is same. So this is 콩. 콩. 콩 is bean. Bean in Korean is 콩. So this is 콩, bean, and this is nose, 코, 코. Next one, 다음은 이제 이응 is no sound, 발음이 안 나는 이응, 그리고 여. So this is just 여. And 이응, 자음, no sound, and 우 is just you. 우. So this is 여우. 여우 is fox. Fox in Korean is 여우. Next one, they have ending consonants. So 여 plus young. So this is 여 plus ng is young, and 우, same 우, and 우 plus 우. So 영웅 is hero. In Korean is 영웅, hero. Superman. Superman in Korean is just Superman. Okay? Superman. And 여우 is fox. Cute. And last one, 시옷 is S, 아 is A, 사, and 지읒 J, and 아 is A, 사자 is lion is 사자, and 사앙, 상, and same 자 plus 이응 is 장. Okay, because they have ending consonants ng. 상장 is certificate. So here is 상장, and 사자 is lion. Okay, So that's all for me today. Thank you for watching my video. Then see you next time, guys. 다음에 봐요. 뿅.